I'm a train that can spin in the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers like my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon
Yo,
codes.
who's here? Yo, what up, Ali? What up, what up? Dude, I smashed during lunch. Smashed. Dude, I smashed. And it just looped because that's how much I smashed. You had to hear it twice. Yo, I loaded up a new Take Profit Trader Pro account, hit it for 320. I turned these that were all red by $300, all green. So I went from negative to positive like Biggie, baby. Yo, I got rid of 3 Bs. Bro. You don't even know, man. Three Bs. How to get rid of them. Oh, man. Yo, this was a great setup, by the way. Yo, bounce right off this order block. You took out these lows, low, low, took it out, inverted, and came up. You could have taken it low here, or you could have taken it right here. What up, T-Jack? Smashing and dashing. Yo. Dude, I don't know where these beats are coming from, but they might be coming from my air conditioning unit. What do we got here now? Dude, I can't take this short. Can I? What is this? I don't know what that is. Bunch of BS. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just looking. We crushed. I don't want to ruin my Friday. I even got some evals up. This eval's up a bunch. This one's up. Pro accounts are up. These accounts were actually nothing. I don't know what happened. There was some deal where you had to like make $2,000 in a day and you automatically pass. So that was this account. And I automatically passed. And that became, I think it became this account. And what was weird was they left the fucking eval on my account. So I didn't want to get rebuilds. So I got rid of both accounts. And these are my funded accounts. What up, Adel? What up, bro? But yeah, just cruising now. Trying to smash and dash a couple times and just get done. I wouldn't be surprised if they ran into close. Oh, check this out. To top off my awesome prop firm day. Up a cool $4,900 today. Plus another 1,000 in my Robinhood account. What up, Anderson? Dude, I don't know what's going on. Yo, the thing that happened this morning was wild. You think we might get a drift off? What's a drift off? I don't know. Is he talking right now? What's a drift off? Oh, like a drift? Dude, every time I come up with one of these biases, it fucks me and then it goes at the end. Like, I think the last 10 minutes will probably pop. Yeah, Stock Itch. I was talking about it in the Discord. I caught some of it. That was a small thing, but watch. I hit it in my pro account. Right here. Dude, I was going to hold this shit too. Man, I fucking wish I held that. That would have been a freaking banger. Just didn't happen. Yeah, that would have been a banger. What was crazy was I was targeting the 200. When I got in this, I was like, oh, we're going to go down to the 200. Sure enough, we got it. Crazy. Just had a hold. How hard is it to hold? It's freaking so easy. Just had a hold. That's it. Just hold. I was going to do 10 cons earlier. I have 30 seconds for a grand. Ah, there you go. Yo, what up, Dell? Dell getting paid today. That's daily payout 2 in a row. He's feeling pretty fucking good today. You could always go backwards. Bro, why is fucking... Dude, I saved this pro account was like $300 away from being done. I fucking saved that so hard today. So hard. This account needed it so bad. So bad. I did it so wrong. Yeah. Things are good. Things are good, except I got this fucking, my wife got me this iced coffee from Dunkin'. Bro, I don't want to talk too loud. She's outside my door, but bro, fucking ice is melted. Like, what the fuck is that? Got melted ass iced coffee. My daughter's first day with a TPT funded today. She took the morning pump and sold at 1,800. She is above 1,600 of her buffer and will be taking our first payout on Monday. Oh, baby. Smash the motherfucking confetti. Dude, that's awesome. Yo, Ali, how is it walking around, though, and your daughter just telling you how you should be traded? Yo, she just like, yo, you just trading fucking wrong. Yo. She's like, listen, this is what you need to do. Pops, what are you doing over there? This is so easy. Why is this so difficult for you? Dude, that's hysterical. Dude, all she's playing is support and resistance. Support resistance. If I had to guess, she's playing with like 3 to 5 micros. That's probably what she's playing with, or even like 2. Right? Dude. And that's how it's done. Yo, she's gonna be giving it all weekend, man. Yeah, right? She's smart because that's what you should be playing with, realistically. Yo, Ali's right now, he's like, yo, how do I copy her trades into like 15 accounts, other places, just don't tell her. And we just copy trade 15 accounts. We could be millionaires by Wednesday. Yo, he ready, dude, they're getting a payout already. Bad, already a payout. Isn't that nuts? $200. Requesting a $200 payout. That covers the whole account and everything. That's wild. Dude, that's only her second account, too. Listen, the 25K does make more sense because it's 15 drawdown and 15 to the buffer. I'm with you. That extra $500 is not really worth it. Think about this. How many times have you gone down more than 1,500 and still kept the account? How's that sound? How many times have you been with less than $500 in drawdown and still kept the account? I mean, I've done it. But like most of the time you get down that low, the fucking account's gone. This account actually is like that. I got down to $300 and now I'm back up to 1,200. But 30 con. Yeah. So, now you're on the upside, you've taken your profit target from 3,000 to only 1,500. Yeah, I mean, listen, it happens. It definitely happens. I'm just saying, normally it does not. Normally it does not. But yeah, I would say, the 25K is definitely solid. I'm super green today. This is all green. These 3 are funded accounts. So it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know, that's over $5,000 in funded right there. And then these fundeds are up a small amount. Nothing to write home about. Funded. RIP to the market, baby. Yo, this is the last day you can buy my funded future legacy accounts. Just throwing that out there. Anybody that wants them, today's the last day to get them. See you later. Yeah. There'll be no more starters, starter pluses, any of those accounts. They're all gone. Gone after today. Whew. But tired. Just looking at some things. I'm just looking at some things. But you know it's going to push through the highs. The new ones are better. I think they're about the same, and hear me out. The profit split goes from 90-10 to 80-20, which obviously is better on the older ones. But you're also paying $20. You're also paying like 20% less. So you're paying 20% less. And then on the old ones, you had a consistency on the funded with the starter. On the core, there's no consistency on funded. So you can make a mass payout in one day. Yeah, I think there's pros and cons of both that kind of equal the whole shit out, to be real. I got lucky because the first $10,000 that you take from my funded futures was at 100% profit split. I got 100% of that. I've exceeded $10,000 from my funded futures. So I was already at that profit split. What sucks is if you didn't do that, everything's at 80-20 now. But it is what it is. Yeah, I do too, Anderson. Like, if you're going to let it ride, those are awesome. I'll be honest with you, when it comes to those accounts, I tend to let it ride because if you have no consistency and it's end of day drawdown, once you go a little bit in the green, you can move to break even and just say, hey, wherever it goes, it goes. This could be a massive run. You don't have to sit there and be like, oh, I got to sell out in a little bit, and I got this, I got to worry about that. Yeah. I definitely feel that. I definitely, I like the no consistency on fundeds. No consistency on fundeds is just kind of, it allows you to let it run. And if you get a day like today, you can really let it run. This is where you can stack a massive bag up and then just hit $100, $100, and then take out a max payout. Oh, and there's 500 less of drawdown on the core accounts. Okay. I didn't even see that. Ooh, man, am I tired. There you go, Brandy. Stack them gains. Take it to Gainesville. I mean, no matter what, take profit trader is the best. But after that, I think my funded futures is right there. I think my funded futures is like 1B. When it comes to actual prop firm rules and everything else, like they're right there. It's just take profit trader has basically no rules. So that's why I think that they're the best. There is no rules. So wrong. Market, you did me so wrong. Oh man, I don't want to ruin my weekend. Like I'm up a ton and I'm just waiting for something good to happen. Something good, something good, something good. By the way, next week I will be streaming from the Jersey Shore. If you see me at the Jersey Shore, come say what's up. Bro, I'm waiting for the day that I see somebody in public, like a random person in public, and they're like, yo, is that you, Cove? And I'm just like, what up, man? That'd be crazy to see somebody in public randomly. I won't be able to spot you guys, but if you spot me, say what's up. I'm always around. I'm trying to think who I would actually run into. I could run into Design Knob. I could run into Q. There's like 4 or 5 guys on the stream that I can run into on just a normal basis. Yeah. Anybody that's from like Long Island, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, I can run into you on a normal. If you're up to no good, just show up at my house. What's up, Rich? Rich, if you're new, you got to subscribe, otherwise it won't let you in. Bro, you got to use coupon code CoveTrader on the boardwalk. You get free games. Actually, I'm not going to. There's no boardwalk by where I'm not going to that part. I'm going to Cape May. I've never been there. You're a sub? I'm trying to think why it's not letting you in. Maybe because you got no points. 2 exclamation point points. Yeah. Damn, Dell. Poverty Beach? What is that really what it's called? I'm staying at an Airbnb. I don't want to put the address in here or what house it is, but let me look on a map on where it's at. Let me see. Let me see where it is. Yeah, it's probably because the points, Rich. Streamlabs makes it so you got to be on the stream a little bit to accumulate points to enter, and that's so people can't sign in with like 30 YouTube names and just enter 30 times. So that's how it does it. So you just got to be on the stream for a little bit. I'm pulling this place up on the map without saying, dude, Cape May is pretty fucking small, man. Where's poverty? Where's this beach thing, dude? I don't see this beach thing. I'm basically at the bottom. I'm basically at the bottom. I'm not going to tell you where the house is, but I'm somewhere. I'm walking distance to the Jetty Motel. I don't know where that is. I gotta. A Beach Avenue. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, Is it up here? Oh, is it North Cape, man? I'm staying in this area. I'm going to be all the way down here. Just the tip. Just the tip. I don't know what any of this other stuff is, but I'm going to be all the way to I'm all the way down here. I hope it's cool. Yeah. I'm in this space. I don't know what you do there though. I'm guessing you oh, this is Wildwood. I've never been to Wildwood. I hope it's nice, dude. Yeah, I was just gonna say, I just saw a Victorian house. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm definitely I'm looking forward to seeing what's down there. I don't know how long it's gonna take me though to get there. I don't want to, let's see. Not even Vaseline or what? Wait, what did I miss? Holy shit, that's 5 fucking hours I gotta drive? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. 5 hours, bro? Bro, 5 fucking hours? Oh my God. Bro. So if I leave right now, it's 5 fucking hours. Bro. Yo, what up, Morty? Dude. The fuck? Oh my God. Dude, that's long, man. 5 hours is like 2 more hours than I thought it was. Yeah. That's crazy. I just looked at it on the map. I just looked at it on the map, dude. That's freaking. I don't know, man. I don't know. That seems freaking far. Super far. That's way further than I thought it would be. That's way further than once you, dude. Yo, my wife wanted me to stay there until fucking Saturday, and now I'm like, I kind of want to bounce on Tuesday, be there all day Saturday, all day Sunday, all day Monday, and then just be like, deuces. Powell carrying the American economy. Yo, you ain't kidding me. Yo, all he had to say was he's thinking about doing a rate cut. And we're up almost fucking, we're up 1.65%. Yo, give me a quick tidbit. What do I do there besides the beach? What's to do besides the beach? Is there a good food place I should hit up? What's the what? Give me the 411. By the way, this Twitter giveaway ends today. If you want a chance to win a Take Profit Trader account, the link's right there in the chat. Ends today. We're doing the drawing today. Dude, what's the biggest problem is I thought it was 3 hours. So if I left in the morning, like say I left at like 9, I could be home by 1 and like trade the rest of the day and stream and whatever. But now that I know it's 5 hours, I'm probably better off leaving at like 4 in the afternoon. Yeah, Charles. Yo, if you repost it, I'll put you in. All you gotta do is hit the repost button. I only say that because I'm just gonna take everybody that hit the repost button. You see who hit the repost, and I just put it in a spreadsheet. Super easy for me. That's the only place I can get that I see what everyone's done. I'm gonna check it out. I have to trade the morning every day, though. I can't not trade the morning. So, because I make a lot of money trading in the morning. So I can't really leave in the morning. Smash Shack? Bro, I used to call my bedroom that, dude. The Smash Shack. It didn't serve burgers, but it definitely delivered. Yo, my Yelp reviews were high. Dude, 5 fucking hours, bro. It's a long time. Now I kind of want if my laptop works, I'll just stay there until Saturday so I don't miss anything. I'll miss a full day of trading like that. I'll miss a full day. I'm not trying to miss a full day. You know what I'm saying? That's a long time. Yo, take the bang bus to Smash Shack. Cove Trader, this is the X link. Here, dude, this is the X link right there. There you go. X. Dude, who remembers that Exhibit song? X. And it was just like, and then it would just be like, X. That shit was, I love that song. I haven't heard it in ages, though. Oh, TJ, bro. Dude, that's fucking awesome. My link does not work. Dude, I just clicked on it. I just clicked on the link. The new link works. The one I just put in. I just edited the so real quick. I'll do another Twitter giveaway next week. What do you guys want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want the Twitter giveaway to be next week? Do you want Tradeify accounts? My fund. Oh, you guys asked. Somebody asked for My Funded Futures next week. I think that's what we were going to do. My Funded Futures. Right? Well, we did TPT this week. Rich, $500. $500. You get $500 worth of accounts. Oh, I'll do my funded futures. We will do my funded futures, and we'll do 3 core accounts next week. You guys tell me what you want. I just make it happen. You guys decide what we do. I got something special, though, to do the giveaways that makes it fucking easier for me. I just have to set it up. And I forgot to this week, but I'm going to do it next week. I'm feeling really good. Yeah, I like core accounts. Blue Sky Pro. I'll think about it. I'll have to do my research. I don't trade with Blue Sky. I don't trade with them. I don't know why I bother triggering. Oh, it's a time. It's off right now. It's off, dude. I'm definitely not doing an Elite Trader funding giveaway. I gotta worry if you get don't get me wrong. I got paid by them, but I've heard too many stories. So, I've heard too many stories. Like I have a coupon code with them and everything, but I won't give them away. I just can't do it. Yo, I should do a Twitter giveaway. Yo, I know what I'm going to do on my thing. You don't think I'll see another payout? I'm climbing. They're going to owe me some fucking money soon because this one is like 2,000 away from a payout. This one's over the threshold. I just got paid out from this account. Look, my drawdown is 6,200 now. Like, the odds are I'm requesting at least another payout from here. This next payout is going to be much larger, though. It's probably going to be like $3,000, $4,000 at least. I just got to keep building back better. It'll change your life, Cove. Yeah, I don't know. I'll look. Honestly, I'm focused on getting all these payouts. This one is over, so I just need like 10 trading days. I think I need 10 trading days. These two are getting built up. This pro account is starting to get built up. I needed this day. I needed this day for this account. This pro account is just started. I got another pro account that is at half. I think it's at 51,000 in Rhythmic. I have a bunch of Fidias accounts that are getting close to payouts. Anderson, the best entry of the day, I thought, was at 2:30 in the morning. It was right here. I thought this was the best entry of the day. This fits all the criteria. You swept yesterday's low. Came down, inverted on the way back, blew through a pivot point. This would have been a 1,000% must-take entry. 1,000% must take. You would have gotten paid. I wasn't up. That was 2:40 in the morning. I'm not up then. Yo, Stockage, you took that? Dude, that was the best entry of the day. That was an A+ freaking setup, dude. If anybody wants to see what an A+ setup looks like, that was it. Swept prior day's lows and dumped like in the fashion it dumped. Yeah, I was out cold. Oh man. I was thinking about doing some crazy stream one day where I get up and stream from like 3 in the morning straight through until 5 p.m. I was thinking about doing like 14 hours, London all the way through. I was in court all morning. Did Powell said that he might change course and start reducing cutting rates. Paul, I got to ask 2 questions. The first one is 2 parts. Are you a lawyer or a police officer? If not, was it something cool that you had to go to court for? Did you like beat somebody up at the bar? I got to ask. Oh, Jameer accidentally took a long. Oh, Rich, let's talk, Rich. You failed 180 evals and 9 funded. Dude, it's got to be your strat. It's got to be one of 2 things. It's got to be your strategy's bad, or you're oversizing where you're buying way too many cons. What's the deal? We'll dig into it right now. The market's kind of going nowhere. We'll dig into it. How many trades are you taking a day? Yo, I'll bet sports every once in a while. Not a lot though. Best accident I ever wrote it up. Man, I wish it was a cool story. It was just Yo, it's not as cool as when I watched one guy knock another guy out at home plate over a 10-year-old Little League game. One hitter, baby. He just knocked his dude out cold. They went to court. Oh, man. Rich, when I overtrade, I take 50 to 80 NQ scalps. Brother. Yo, if he's comfortable taking that, just go for a bob. I'll be honest with you, man. How many people were in the 20 last night? 30 something. I think I came in 6th. I'll look right now. The guy who won, I don't exactly know who he is. So actually, I came in 5th. Yeah. Yeah, I see you finished 6th. I didn't even use a re-entry, which was pretty cool. There was 34 people. Shoot, damn, Anderson. I would change. What up, Kevin? Nah, he's talking about amount of trades, 50 to 80 trades, I think. Yo, what up, Creo? I like doing the tournaments. If you guys like doing the tournaments, we could do this like every month. Like every month. Oh, dude, guess what I got for everybody? We're doing NFL Survivor Pool. NFL Survivor Pool, Cove Trader style. Everybody can join. It's going to be free, and I will definitely do giveaways and shit. You were third in poker, but first. Yeah, I was third for no buybacks. Yeah, if we get a day, so obviously it's easy because I don't play baseball right now, Sean. But next month, I think we should do it once a month. And then after the year, all the guys that have a belt do a tournament. The Tournament of Champions. Yo, it all comes down to like when you're in the last 8 to 10, you gotta double up. You gotta get to like 8,000 chips. But you're first in our hearts. Yeah. We're gonna do you know what? Yeah, I started with 1,000. I think this is it. Oh, let me see which one it is. That is not it. I'll end up posting it in the chat next week, but we're going to do a survivor pool. If you guys never played a survivor pool, all you have to do is choose one team every week to win. And then once you choose that team, you can't choose them again. But I think it'll be cool just to get everybody in, and I'll throw in some stuff for prizes and shit like that. Just trying to make a community type thing, you know? Just building up fun within the community. If you guys have any ideas of things you want me to do, just throw it out there. I'm willing to, you know, make it a cool, you know, I'll do fucking fantasy baseball, basketball, football, whatever it is. That's NFL. Survivor Pool is the NFL. Yeah, it's American football. Yeah, Rich. I would say honestly, I would focus on your strategy, dude. If I were you, I'd watch some videos I have, and I would focus on dude, the easiest strategy that I would say, the easiest strategy, I would only take short. I'd load up this indicator. I've shown people this. I would load up this indicator. I would only take shorts in red, longs in green, and then I would load up this one too. Don't follow it, but kind of use it as a guide, right? You're using it as a guide. You know, it's telling you to buy, you know, you would have been short, and when it says buy, you basically would sell. I have a whole video on this where you sell. You know, so basically when you're green, you buy green, and when the bot says sell, you sell, right? And then you wait, and the bot says buy here, so then you get long again, and then you sell. And then you would buy again, and then you would sell. And now once you turn red, you'd go short, you'd cover, you'd go short, you'd cover, you know, there's a lot of break even type trades, but when it moves, because when it turns red, you would short, you'd cover, you would have shorted, you would have covered, and then sell right here, and then you would have covered all the way down here. You would have sold again right here, and then you would have covered down here. You know, this is like a simple to get you to buy and sell. And you can break this out into like, dude, you can go to the 3 minute. If you don't have to scalp as much, you know, like you go to the 3 minute. You can do whatever you want, but that's how I would say, just to get you going in the right direction and kind of seeing the market a little bit better. And then a couple of strategies I would look out for is like fair value gap inversions would probably be my number one, you know, where you would sweep a prior low, like this took out this low, even though that's not like an A plus, because it's not taking out a prior day, prior week, whatever, new lows. It's just internal liquidity. But I would look at, you know, something like that. Trading competition. I'm just saying, man, like, there's a lot of videos. I posted a lot of videos. You can go on my channel and type in win rate. There's a bunch of strategies I've back tested just to get you going in the right direction, because 180 evals and only passing 9 is a 5% pass rate. So you're passing 1 in 20. Like, you shouldn't pass 1 in 20. Like, I pass 1 in 3 or 1 in 4. And that's usually with me trading fucking stupid because it's an eval. Like, I'm not sitting here being like, oh, I'm going to take the best trades. Like, I'll just scalp a bunch of shit. Like, sometimes I pass 1 in 5, but I'm usually in that range. Like, you should be taking them serious, and you should be in that range, 1 in 3 to 1 in 5. You know, just do the math, right? We'll do the bad math. If you pass 1 in 5, it's 1 in 5 is 20%, right? So let's just say an eval is $40. It would cost you 200 in evals. It would cost you $345 to get it, the account, right? If you did then 5 funded accounts, which would be about $1,800, you'd get one of those to a payout, and you'd be about break even. So if you're passing 1 in 5 evals and then 1 in 5 funded accounts gets you to a max payout, you're pretty much breaking even. And then you just kind of get better from there. Just buy low and sell high. Buy on green, sell on red. But yeah, man, I mean, listen, ask questions, dude. You're hanging out in a chat with 50, sometimes there's 110 people in here. I have a Discord that you can ask questions in constantly. I mean, there's a lot of free things to you to become much better than where you're at. People ask questions all the time in here. People ask questions in the Discord. People are always willing to help. Like, you know, there's a lot of free stuff being offered that you should definitely take advantage of. Here, dude, this is something you should do. Here, it's absolutely free. Just go get my go look at the PDF. It's free to subscribe. Just go there. And then I put a bunch of videos. There's some videos on certain strategies. Go there. And then yeah. That goes to anybody that's in here. There's so much free stuff being given between not just me, but other members. Other members providing great free info. By the way, I ran this bot for the day. We've talked about NinjaTrader automations. It's down today, but I've been adjusting my settings. With these settings, I would have been more profitable with these settings. I definitely got chopped. Oh, because news was here. News caused it to lose. Yeah, that was news because the 10 o'clock. I probably shouldn't have this on when there's news because look, after there's news, it's fucking so much cleaner. Look, win, loss, win, and now we're short. Yo, if you're losing money, and if you're losing money all the time, and then you think it's going to go long, just go short. I just got to turn it off. I didn't even think about it. I saw it lose a bunch of money at one point today, Anderson. It was down. I think it was down $1,000 at one point today. So it's come back. It was like, don't call it a comeback. But yeah. Listen, you can get chopped up in this shit. I'm just not going to take anything, especially just crushing this thing today. Yo, do the exact opposite. You have the infinite money glitch, dude. You only pass 5%, but if you do the opposite, you will pass 95%. Not gonna lie, I've won money doing it. Bro, that's freaking awesome, Anderson. Yo, that's awesome. Yo, I think it's gonna go. I should do that after hours when I trade Asia. I should be like, all right, this is gonna go up. And I just short it. I'm like, yo, I just made money. You know, market just kind of died. Like you're just doing this little shit. Man, anybody doing anything cool this weekend? What you guys doing this weekend? It's like one of the last weekends of summer. Dude, summer went by so quick. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, dude, it was my kids were just getting out of school for summer, and now they're going back to school. I remember when I was younger, man. Summer felt so long. Summer felt so long, and now it's just like, dude, summer goes so quick. You start overtrading. Baseball in Georgia, Maria, I like it. Draft day. Oh, and what draft are we talking about? Your fantasy football? I pulled my Fibonacci in public. What? What is that? What happened there? Need to get some fucking winners in here. The fantasy league. Yeah, I got mine coming up September 3rd. Yo, you want to talk about the ultimate bitch move ever? So I'm in this fantasy football league. It's my wife's cousin that got me in. He asked me, and I said, fine, whatever. Bro, everybody said they paid, but this one guy didn't pay. And when the draft order came out, so the draft order comes out, right? And he basically says, I'm not paying because I just got draft order 11. And he's like, I always get bad draft orders and I'm not paying this year. So some guy had draft order third, like he was in third, switches with him to be nice. The guy switches with him. And then the guy that refused to pay unless he got a better draft spot ends up winning the league that year. And he's like rubbing it in everybody's face, like, oh, I'm the best at fantasy and all this bullshit. Dude, I was like, I would boot him out so fucking quick, so fast. He'd be out. But now every year I just text in the group, can I pay after the draft? Just so everyone remembers. Can I pay after the draft order? I'm going to do that right now, actually. Just fuck around with him again. I just texted. I said, I actually texted Alexa, how do I issue a refund on Venmo after seeing my draft spot? Dude, this is just a slow grind. I don't trust this shit, though. Oh. This chop sucks. I don't get caught in this. Yo, what up, Donna? What up, AJ? I don't want to lose money in this fucking chop. Like, I'm just gonna be real with you guys. Like, there's nothing here that's like, oh my god, I need to take this. I think I bet you we run up end of day. I have a feeling that we might see right here in this breaker and then pop maybe and then target high a day. I just don't like, I'm going to be real. Like, I'm up a fuck ton in my funded accounts that I don't want to risk it for something so shitty of price action like this. I do think we're going to go up, and I'd be willing to grab some micros in some funded accounts if we do break to the up. Actually, I have a brand new funded account right here. I'll play it in. I'll light it up. You're short? Oh, man. My neck. Passion trades. What's going on? What are you guys up to? I see some of your names in here. You guys up? You guys up, down, left, right? Tone Balone? Yo, I'm going to get Robo. Who's Robo 2.0? He never talks in here, but puts the code in here. Him? Shugum? You guys are going to have to say something in here before you get let into any more duck races. Yo, if you've never typed anything in the chat, at least introduce yourself. We want to hear who you are. What up, Tone? I know some people are working and they can't type during the day. I'm well aware. But just say what's up. I know. I've seen your name before. But some of the other guys, I've never even like, hey, man, just like, yo, what up? What up? I'm working. I get it. People working, listening to me at work and shit. Listen, I fully understand. But I just want to make sure you're not a bot. I got my fraud filter on. Stoic. What's up, Stoic? For profit? I guess that's better than Stoic not for profit. What's up, dude? I just like to know who's in the stream saying what's up. What up, CT? Look, CT. Yo, numbers game, TJ. Yeah, you know what? We're going to rip a numbers game. Too many bots. Nobody's saying what's up. All right, let me hold on one second. You guys want to rip a numbers? I'm just getting my I might take this long. I might take this long. All right. Yo, what's up, Gumu? No? Do you happen to know Gumu? Yes, by any chance? We're going to hit the numbers game, guys. We're going to smash a numbers game. Yeah, TJ. You guys ready? Set. Let it rip. Just let it rip. Marie White, you are very close. I'm so delayed on this side, too. Oh, no. Oh, damn. Hold on. Oh, that. Oh, Marie White. Marie won. I got it. Marie won. She got it. 25. She got it. You got to go with the clues. Got to go with the clues. Yo, she was so close right off rip. I was like, oh, wow. So close. I had to. Rigged. She's a bot. She's a bot. Yeah, Delco. Yo, you know what it is? Some people have me on delay. It's they have it delayed. Yo, it's over. Yo, Sandy, it's over. Yo, am I delayed? I can't be delayed. Yeah, TJ. You can't. Yeah, Matt, this is. I just like the numbers I know. Hey, sometimes you get the numbers. Yeah, you know what's interesting is I can see participants. So I can see everyone who's participated in it. Oh, Matt, I did blow one of my funds because of the lunchtime bull pump. If you, I mean, obviously hindsight, but we took out these lows with this. Dude, somebody told me this the other day. When you have equal lows and then you sweep them and then come back through, plus invert a fair value gap, you fucking take off. It's so true. Same thing happened here. Basically, equal lows, you sweep them, invert a fair value gap on the way back up. I'm cooked here. I think I'm cooked. Dude, this trade looks so bad. I'm gonna need Jesus for me to get green on it. Is that what turtle soup is? Tone Balone? I actually don't know what turtle soup is. Is it when you take out equal lows? I know it has something to do with taking out lows and then going the other way, but is that what it is? Did I just describe that? I have no idea. If I did, it works. So if I just describe that and it works, it works. You have my stamp of approval. I tried to use a turtle soup indicator on TradingView one time. It was bad. It was so bad. Ooh, yo, my trade is back green. My trade is back green. I'm back red. The world is over. I would add to this position if we got up. I would add a little taste, more taste. The whole ICT stuff calls it turtle soup. Oh, so if you take out equal lows and then come back up, that's turtle soup. Okay, you learn something new every day. The more you know. Sweep of liquidity. Interesting, dude. The more you know. Didn't know that. You typically have two sweeps. Dude, I just was looking at the one. You have equal lows, sweep them. And then come back up. That's all. This is looking bad. This is looking so bad. NQ, you've done me so wrong. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I didn't learn it from there. I was just talking to somebody and they were talking about it. And I was like, oh, sounds good. And then I saw it hit yesterday, I think, and then it just hit today. And I was like, maybe there's something to this thing. Maybe there's something to this shindig. I honestly thought we were turning around right here. Get back over the 200 and then push back. But I'm not shorting this. I can tell you that right now. Bro, they're watching me. They're on the stream watching. Yo, the Ninja Bot's making money. Holy shit. Ninja Bot went short. Yeah, with Mobro. Bro, yeah, Hyper. Drop it like it's hot. Dude, I'm telling you, if you tweet this shit correctly, this shit's got to make money. I am at 18-1 on the Renko. If I didn't have this on during news, it would be up like $800 today. Well, I also tweaked the data that's in there. It's been working. I'm not going to lie. It's been working. Here, I'll show you real quick. It hit. I don't know what happened there. Not exactly sure what happened. It got fucked during news is where, look, because it was a winner, loser, winner, obviously two big winners. But in the middle of trading all this news, it got fucked. Look, loser, loser, win, loser. Like it shouldn't have been running. Look, loser, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, loser, loser. Like I should have just paused it when we had all this high volatility, and then I should have turned it back on. But I also switched the data to different shit. I switched the Renko size because now it's a different Renko size. I'm not gonna sloppy scalps. It's not Autobot. It's not a bot, Kevin. It's not in theory a bot. It's a strategy, and you're only buying a few times a day. They don't want high frequency trading. Also, I'm not doing it in a funded account, Kevin. It's a eval. I wouldn't do it in a funded account in here. I would only do it in evals that they don't give a shit about. Literally, they allow me to, if I wanted to, I can go long in 5 evals and short in 5 evals, and then just take the profit and then start up another 5 and just keep until I pass accounts. That's how much they care about it. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to look. But yeah, this is fucking baller. I'm gonna just take this because it's $287. By the way, this is posted in the Discord for free. Just an FYI, just in case anybody was wondering, all of that is posted in the Discord for free. Yeah, man. But it's a good, you know, I would be up. Listen, it doesn't need to make $1,000 a day, but you know what? If I can get it where it makes 300 to 500 a day, I would run it on some. I know my funded futures allows bot trading. I'd run it there. I would definitely run it there. See how we're starting to pick up steam here? I would not mind coming down. I just want to see if this is really where the VWAP is. Just coming in. Free long, baby. Are you getting long? I wouldn't get long here. Maybe. Let's see what happens. I would want to see us down. Yo, 22. If we can get to 22, I'm taking this long. But yeah, I don't know. I posted it in the Discord. If you guys want to have a serious conversation about it, it's in there. Dude, if we can come down and they rip it right back up, oh my God, that'd be great to end the day. I got it up on the 5. Come on. You got a date with 520? 520 and then invert on the way back up. Dude, hit this FEG at 515. Come on. This is. Let me just see on the larger time frames. Larger time frames. Come on. Really, who buy? I could see them gapping it up on Monday on you know, on this we're gonna rate cut news. You know, like all the excitement about rate cuts that they pump it up and we gap open on Monday. You know, like why not? Why not? Cancel all tariffs? Dude, that'd be crazy. Remember that day we were up like 11% on fucking NASDAQ? That shit was wild. When they like canceled China tariffs or whatever. China. Yo. Oh my God. This is fucking dangerous. This is super dangerous. Yo, free trade, baby. I just made $50 and I got the free trade. And I don't have the free trade anymore. I might get back in though. I'm just watching. If we retest, where we got to retest? 43. I'm watching on my screen. Fuck it. I bought more cons than I wanted. I definitely bought too many cons. fuck me. It's gonna ruin my fucking Friday. Why did I buy so many? 35. Fuck. Dude, I definitely bought too many cons. Nothing comes easy, Steven. Nothing comes easy. Come on. Oh, come on. Give us a fucking pop to 54. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Do it. Just do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Give me the pop. Give me the pop. Give me the pop. We were right there. We were right there. You were tickling me. You were giving me the tickles. Come on, dude. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Oh, fuck. Are you shitting me? What? What the fuck is that? Are you shitting me? Take me out. Jeez. Okay. Now I can go fucking break even. I hit for $50. Come on. Come on now. This is where I cash in big. Get me over 55. Get me over 55. Woo! Yo, I'm cashing that in. Yo, now I'm just leaving it. I'm leaving it, baby. Oh, shit. Come on. I think there were at least 2 liquidations in a month. Maybe. I just want to lock in some profit. I want to lock in some profits, man. Come on. I need Trump to tweet. Finally, we're getting rate cuts, and just watch us go up. Fucking. Come on. Push it, baby. Dude, I know. MOC's coming. I know. I don't want to get hosed. That's why I'm kind of following it tight. I don't want to get hosed. Come on. Keep pushing it. I probably won't move it from here, to be honest with you. I'm probably not moving it from right here. I've locked in. These cons have $70. You know, whatever happens with these cons happens with these cons. Hopefully you guys caught this. If you did, smash the fucking confetti. How long till MOC? 2.5 minutes. Keith. Dude, I should have taken this with every single one of my accounts. Yo, I should have went BD with 15 minutes left of the market on a Friday. Carbs. Come on. We're going to slam the number game. as soon as I get out of this thing. Numbers, number game. Oh man. Yo, is this a good trade or what? Dude, just fucking push. Keep fucking going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Yo, keep it going. Dude, MOC's coming. MOC's coming. Oh, I don't want to wait for MOC. I really don't want to be in this for MOC, to be honest with you. I'm out. Dude, I was down 100 and something bucks. And now I turned that from negative to, look, what I make. Why does that say, look, I made 100 on that. I made 50s, that's 150. That's two. Oh, there's, so yes, I made about 300 bucks. Dude, that was an awesome trade. Maria, oh, motherfucker. Fuck. I should have fucking, oh my God. Oh, motherfucker. I should have kept that. I would have had another hundy. Oh, jeez. Dude, that's crazy. Dude. That's wild. That was a good call on the CM Williams VIX. Oh, you were using that? Yeah, when it gets super high. I took this fair value gap inversion on the 1. Yeah, the indicator right here. Yep. I did some back tests that when it gets past a certain number on the right, I think the number was 24 or 25, something crazy like that. Yeah, you definitely use it as a piece. I mean, after taking that, I'm probably going to chill out for the rest of the 8 minutes. We need 2 more winners on numbers. Should I wait till the market's done or do it now? Wait till the market's done or do it now? You guys tell me what you want. We need to do it twice. 2 more. I saw a video, but it's in Spanish. You just got to learn Spanish, and then you'd understand the video. You just got to learn Spanish. That's how easy it is, Maria. Jeez. Just go now. Dude. All right, and then we'll do one at 401. All right. Go, let it rip. Let it rip, ski. I'm probably done taking anything that's, you know, oh my God. Oh, somebody was one off. Somebody was one off. Yo, it's 1 to 50. It's 1 to 50. It's 1 to 30. Yo, TJ just hit it. TJ just hit it. It was 24. I don't know if CJ is the first person though. So I'm looking. Hold on. Marie White won again. But you can't win. So who's the second one? Oh no, that was earlier. Hold on. Jim M won. Jim M actually won. Jim M. Dude, look at that. That just turned around in a flash. I'm just going to be honest with you. I think it's more likely to go up, but dude, I wouldn't risk if you're green right now. Why would you trade the last 10 minutes of the market? Like, if you're green, are you going to ruin your fucking day by taking a red trade right now? You know what I'm saying? Like, why take a red trade right now? Like, oh, dude, that's looking good. A little bull flaggy. Go. Push it for you guys. Yeah, you don't want to ruin your whole weekend. Please be honest, preferred over being dishonest. I just wouldn't take a trade from now until the end of the day. If you're green, like if I'm up $200 and I take a trade and I lose $100, and I'm like, why did I trade the end of the day? I was up $200, I was happy with it, and now I'm only up 100. Yeah, I'm not pointing to anybody in general. I'm just saying like a general talk about it. Like, why would we risk it? Matt, how many do I trade with? I'll do anywhere from 3 micros to 1 mini, but I'll also copy trade it among a lot of accounts. You know, like I've copied today. I took a trade. I copy traded in 10 accounts. I also took 1 trade. You know, like this, I took 1 trade, and then you can see, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts were copy traded in. These 3 were copy traded. You can see these 3 were all copy traded. You know, 9. All these are my pro accounts. These were all a copy trade. What up, Gonzalez? Yeah, so I'll trade a lot, but you know. Yeah, I just got to get him to payouts, Delgo. What up, Charles? I just got to get him to payouts, right? You know, they're starting to get up there. Like this one is over 150. You know, this one is, you know, up 500. You know, if next week is a good week, I can get payouts next week in all the accounts. I have 5 pro accounts. I have 4 here, and I have 1 on Rhythmic that's halfway. It's at 51,000. So I'm right there. I just need to go. Yo, later, patient. I'll see you in the Discord, man. No, what's crazy was if you targeted the wick right here, oh, you would have just got fucking missed. You would have just got missed out on if you targeted the wick. I actually started, instead of targeting the wicks, start targeting the body top. More likely to hit. More likely to hit. It's just something I noticed. Dude, I like sloppy tops. Dude, nothing better than good sloppy toppy up top, and then you get short. Fucking crazy. Dude, I would not play the drift today. I would not play the drift personally. Let's see if it hits though. At this point, I probably would move it right here at 63. I'm not playing. I'm not ruining my fucking weekend because I did something stupid here in the day. But let's just see if it hits. I wouldn't have gotten tagged in yet. Damn, it's staying inside the previous bar. You know what I wanted to look at real fast? There you go. Look. Yo, it actually hit. Look at that shit. 63. Yeah, you hit. Anyone take that? Anyone just take that by any chance? Yo, Cal Bisky, I am super fucking green. I'm green. Oh my God. Look at that. Yeah, I'm green. These are funded accounts. These are evals I had to get rid of, but these are all funded accounts. Boom. Boom. These are all funded accounts from here up. Actually, I got to sell out of this, and I got to close this fucking bot. What is that anyways? Oh, 18-1. Okay. Yeah, BK, 3 cons, 30 ticks. Bro. You only play it to the downside though, right, BK? My back test shows only to the downside, by the way. What up, Andy? Only to the downside is the way that I've cars. Who calls it cars? Who calls it cars? I've been playing it from the top to the bottom. How do you know what triggers you in, CT? CT just passed the Bulenox account. Bulenox. Damn. Damn, Baja. Lock it up, baby. Get paid. What do you just get in when it pops near the top of the wick? If it breaks the high, take it short. Dude, that's interesting. I've never tried that before, to be honest. If it breaks the high, you take the short. Dude, that's nice. Full port done in full ported it done in 2 seconds. You get the candle and the dump. Yeah. 60% of the time it works every time. It's definitely worth it for passing accounts if you think about it, because if you hit, like you said, you get the whole candle. So, you know, you end up, so you got in at like 71, right? I mean, you're getting more than 10 points. And it's usually a straight go at. Yeah, that's a nice move. Yeah, it's a super nice move. What's up, Chris? Hey, Cove. Everyone sold a call I bought in days. Damn, nice, man. Each futures theoretically represents one rail car of commodities. So one corn contract is a rail car of corn. That's interesting. I didn't actually know that. I knew it was I knew futures is a leveraged. I know that this is leveraged. That I'm well aware of. I didn't know that it represented that. What about frozen concentrated orange juice? Oh, no. Dude, I want to see how I ended here. I haven't even looked at this. Holy fuck balls. It's a good way to end my fucking week. Boom, 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 boom. Damn, and another $852 on Robinhood. Dude, that's fucking 6,200. All right, we're gonna play the numbers game one more time, and then those people are gonna go into the. What do? Do we ball sack, or do we swim, or do I find something new? I'm just clicking some random numbers. I got a random number. Yeah, we do not. What up, fat? Ball sack? I guess we got to do the ball sack. Canoe? How about this? I'll show you guys the races and you guys choose, okay? We'll do whatever you guys want to do. All right, hold on. Ready, set, go. Bro, no way, dude. Yo, somebody got it already. Tim Newman, 31, bro. Yo, he was second person. Dude. Tim Newman. Oh, bro, you entered it too early? What the fuck? Yo, what do we do, guys? Hold on 1 second. Dude, hold on 1 second. I think Tim Newman entered it fucking early. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm looking because I put start now. Dude, I don't think this has ever happened before. Oh, wait, what happened? I don't even see him. Hold on 1 second. Dude, what's going on? Yeah, Tim put it premature. Tim had premature numbulation. Dude, the first person I have. Dude, I have Sean. Sean put it in right before you. Is that possible? Dude, Sean beat you, Charles, by 1 message. Yo, Charles, everyone's also just remember, guys, everyone's messages, for whatever reason, when everyone's typing it in, is different. What's on your screen might be different than someone else's screen. So we go off of my chat. That's how we do it. We got to go off my chat. Otherwise, everyone has something a little bit different. Dude, that's fucking so tight. Dude, that'd be crazy. All right. Why we run this, I'm just telling you guys, if you want to join, I'm going to run this next. That's your last chance to enter the Twitter giveaway. Last chance to enter the Twitter giveaway is right there. All right, we're gonna run the races. Dude, we need a good race. What do we got here? What do we got for the race? Damn, Maria almost wrote Ho Trader. Dude, why is this taking so forever to fucking load? Why is it taking forever to load? Fucking weird. I just had to reload it. Yo, I saw even more people are doing the duck race now. So this thing's taking forever to fucking load. What the? I've never had it take this long. Yo, so weird. I just put it in incognito and it went so much faster. Damn, they just popped that shit. All right, what do we want to do here? What are we doing for the race? We got runners, we got swimmers, canoe, pogo, women's running, fancy dress, ball sack. We got some animals. Under the sea, at the rate. Yo, we could do a. What are we thinking? Runners, and then you got we got speedboats, tractor races. Bro, this doesn't stop. Do you want a Thanksgiving race timer? All right, everybody wants runners. That, or I can load up the 3 names and yeah, I'm gonna do runners. We're doing runners. Ball sack Fridays. Monet says ball sack Fridays. I have to go with it. What up, Fat? Ball sack Fridays is where it's at. So because of duck race fraud, I'm just taking the 3 names, that 1 numbers, and then we're going to do the Twitter giveaway. Dude, the fraud was rampant. The fraud was rampant today. In duck race fraud was through the roof today. Yo, you were saying ball sack Fridays? I mean, who doesn't like ball sack Fridays? I gotta get all the names off of freaking Twitter right now. Marie White. Marie, you got it. Yo, can I just do a Gronk? I was wondering if Gronk could just pick out winners for me on here, but apparently that is not the fucking case. Oh. I'm looking. All right, I got it. I got what I needed. Oh, dude, you guys are gonna fucking hate this. Dude. Dude, this is gonna be brutal. Oh. Dude, I'm just. I'm trying to fly through this. Hold on. My ass did not dude, my ass should have done this earlier. Obviously. If you got questions, just give me 1 minute and yo, did Gronk pick out winners? No, fuck. This guy got me to get off the fucking page. P-O-O. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. This is my bad. I gotta come up with a better way to do this. And I actually have one, by the way. Next week will be so much easier and you will like it a lot better. My bad. Sherlock. Neo. Fucking doing it manually. This is a big bitch. V-I. Vivek. Yo, my bad. If you're listening, I'm almost done. So I just did it. All right, cool. So here we go. These guys are all going in the duck race, and we're doing it. Did I fucking click that duck race off? I'm so stupid. Duck race. It's loading. All right, here we go. You guys ready? There's 2 winners here, so we're just going to run it twice. Yeah, my bad. Did I get added? I added you, Sleeper. I saw your name on Twitter. Everyone has different Twitter names, so I just grabbed the Twitter names. Gotta be on the stream to claim it, so we'll see what happens. Oh, that's premature frontulation right there. Oh, they just... Yo, Vivek, are you on here? Are you on here? Yo, what up, Pine? Tell me Vivek is on here. I'm just telling you, you got 30 seconds because it's Friday. If Anderson writes here, yo, yes, no, maybe. You gotta be on the fucking stream. Dude, I don't know where the duck is. I just copied everyone's name off of Twitter that retweeted it. He's out. 1, you got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dude, this is, it's got to be a person on Twitter. I'm not chasing people on Twitter. I'm not chasing people down. Dell won an account. Dell is considered here. He set up my whole fucking Discord. Dell is always considered here. So Dell won one account. I don't, dude. Did you retweet on Twitter, Anderson? Yo, is Turtle? Dude, I'll tell you his exact name. Hold on. Is Turtle Sniper in here? Turtle Sniper. Dude. There was one. How many retweets do I see? Like 50 something, I think. All right. Turtle Sniper. Send me an email. We're doing it differently next week. Wait, switching now. We're doing it different next week. I can tell you that right now. Next week is going to be different. I got something to help me out. Once I use this on Twitter, everyone's going to use it. I can tell you that right now. Just remember where you saw it first. Yo, if you want to support the stream, use the best code out there, coupon code CoveTrader. Best payout rate. Just remember that. That's what I heard. Yo, what up, Q? Yo, it's been a crazy week. Crazy week. But yeah, I'm jumping off. It's Friday, and I'm enjoying my fucking banger day. I'll be back Monday. I'll be in the Discord all week. If you got questions, ask in the Discord. I will be there. Other than that, have a great weekend, everybody. All right. Peace.